Hi, my name is Desiree with WTI, and if you have a ton of shoes like I do, then you need to check out this shoe organizer. I absolutely love it. Not only is it aesthetically pleasing and makes your closet look beautiful, it keeps everything nice and organized. I love that it has these clear doors in the front, and then it has two shelves that you can put four pairs of shoes in there. Isn't that amazing? And so you can close it and keep everything nice and organized. So this one actually comes in a larger scale that is quite easy to assemble. But for the space that I originally needed for, which was my husband's closet, I needed something a little bit smaller. So it turns out then that I am able to use the rest of the cubbies in my closet, which I'm so excited that I get to have this kind of organization in mine as well. So if this is something that you're looking for to not only make your closet look nice and pretty, but keep those shoes organized, then you need to check this shoe organizer. But that's just my point of view.